Welcome to Kicker News. I'm here with Olivia Taylor, who will tell us about a new group called the Menopause Foundation of Newfoundland and Labrador. Olivia, why was it created?
So the foundation was launched on February 17th, so it's just barely a week old. 5 different women came together, all from different backgrounds with different areas of expertise, and they all recognize a significant gap in how menopause is being addressed in the province. And they noticed that menopause wasn't being talked about enough in workplaces, in healthcare settings, and even just in everyday life. And that's not really how it should be, because it's something that every woman has to go through, and they can experience symptoms from the ones you hear about more often, like hot flashes, to brittle nails and itchy skin, and these women need to know that they're not alone.
You spoke with Deanne Feltham-Scott, one of the co-founders. What perspective does she bring to the foundation?
Yes, so Deanne brings a very valuable workplace perspective to the foundation. So she has 25 years of experience in occupational health and safety, specifically focusing on psychological health in the workplace. And she mentioned to me that a lot of the symptoms of menopause can really have an impact on how women can complete their daily tasks at work. Yet, despite this, many workplaces don't acknowledge menopause as a legitimate health issue when it comes to deserving accommodation. So Deanne and others that are running the foundation want to make people aware of this and that how it can affect women in the workplace, and also how employers can support their employees that are going through this transition.
What did women who are currently experiencing menopause have to share about their experience?
So some of the women I talked to described their feelings of being completely unprepared and uninformed. One woman that I spoke to said many of her friends rely mostly on word of mouth when looking for information about menopause. They'll just ask their friends. Another woman I spoke to described her experience with menopause as being wretched and completely life-disrupting. But all the women I spoke to agree that the foundation is a step in the right direction for women in Newfoundland and Labrador.
Is the foundation working to improve how menopause is treated and understood in healthcare?
So as a nonprofit advocacy organization, they're really pushing for more current medical education on how menopause can be treated. So they noticed an issue where some medical professionals really go off of outdated studies. For example, when you're looking at hormone replacement therapy, the outdated studies will overstate the risks and really minimize the benefits, and this is creating a huge barrier for women, and they're not able to access this hormone replacement therapy. The foundation wants to make sure that all women get accurate and current information from their healthcare providers.
And what kind of support does the foundation offer?
So the foundation focuses on education, advocacy, and access to care. And one of their main initiatives that they are hoping to do are what they call Meno circles. So these are basically small community-based support groups where women can go and talk about their experience with menopause and share information with other women going through it. And anybody can create one across Newfoundland and Labrador, no matter where you are. And the foundation is working to create guides. So basically, someone can reach out if you're looking to create a Meno circle on their website, menopausefoundationnl.com, and then they'll provide them with the necessary materials and mentorship that they need to establish these circles. And the hope is to continue the conversation of menopause in Newfoundland and Labrador.
Thank you, Olivia.
You're welcome.